Hello guys, today we're going to be replacing an air filter in a 2001 Honda Prelude. So for the first thing you're going to want to do is unclip these. There's 4 of them. Alright, and the next thing is you're going to want to go over to this thing here and squeeze this little squeeze-on clamp. Pull this out. Okay? Now, if you're doing it on a cold day like this, it might be a little bit more difficult, so you're going to want to leave it till later. The next thing is unscrew this here. This may take a little while, so we'll cut it. We're going to cut the thing. Alright, so the next thing you're going to want to do here, is it recording?
Yeah.
is fly up on these, disconnect all tubes. You're going to want to simply remove the box here. Take a little bit of wiggling. Make sure you have adequate pressure on the backside. You're going to want to remove this. Perfect. And that should just come out as one piece. Alright. So here's the air filter. As you can see, there's some dirt and grime, and that's going to affect your performance of your vehicle. So, you know, just put this to the side. Now I'm running the K&N drop-in filter, but anyone will work. Just got to replace it as long as it's clean. Alright, so here's the new filter. Put it in. Just plops in like that. And now we're going to put the actual air box back on. Alright, so the next step is actually reinstalling the air intake here. You're going to want to slide it down through the wires and such. Batteries out of the way. Take a little bit of pressure to get it where everything needs to be. Needle nose again here. Slides right in. Reclip the clips, make sure it's in the right place. You're going to want to reinstall these clips here. Very simple. You should see on the hose where the indents are from the previous install. And tighten up here on the actual intake. You should tighten it until you have to put quite a bit of force on, so you don't want it falling off. And there you go. That is how you replace an air filter.